Boys and girls, I did the unthinkable. Now, before you skip ahead, I did buy a GTI. Here's the thing about it. I'm only gonna own this for 60 more days. This is the next giveaway car. This is the first drop we have done since baby Gabriella has been born. Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to enter this GTI. We are about to go on a journey. There's tons of memes, lots of me on Twitter saying I would never buy a GTI, and here we are. Guys, I've got 60 days to prove myself wrong, and I'm already starting to do that. Every $5 you spend at 53supply.com grants you one entry for the chance to win this Mark 7 GTI. Let's get it. That's you, Jaron, right there. Check it out. Okay, guys, we're really doing this. So here's the deal. We're giving this car away. So basically, there it is. I have 2 months to either prove myself right that these cars are what I have said they are over the years, or prove myself wrong. I'm gonna come at this with an open mind. I'm pretty excited, to be honest. A lot of really cool stuff here. We're at RPM Garage. Before we actually go in there and take the car home, I wanna see what's here. We gotta do some paperwork, but let's check it out. Holy crap, which one do you want, Jaron? You've been wanting to sell your Focus. Maybe you can start shopping now. This is correct. This is a lot of cars. Hey, it's you. It's you. She's been wanting to trade her Focus, and I don't know, should we sell it? Should we give it away? The car I'm taking home is right in front of us, and I'm pretty stoked on it. I'll show you guys more about it. There's a big Cletus truck over there, boys. See that? No dang, it's up there. Evan.
Good to meet you, man.
Great to meet you, brother. Show me around. This is really cool. Golly, dude.
A little bit of everything.
Woo! Am I coming home with more than just a GTI today? There we go. You guys want me to get an R35 again? I don't know if I will. This is cool, dude. Woo! That's so sick. Well, ladies and gents, here it is. I wanted a Mark 7. Honestly, this was one of the cooler ones I was able to find. I bought it. It has some mods on it already, but that doesn't mean we're not going to build it and have fun. A lot of people speak very highly of Mark 7s. I really did want the two-door. I love the two-door. It's a cool package. And I got the DSG. I know some of you guys are going to be mad about that, but that is the best transmission. So we went ahead and got a DSG. I really didn't even want a manual because we are going to make some power. Carbon wing. These are definitely interesting, to say the least. Should we keep them? You guys, I'm gonna be ragging this car a lot until I love it.
It's like a block of cream cheese.
We gonna wrap it. Jaron, they kind of sound like farts whenever you start them up.
Really?
They sound kind of silly.
Really?
Let's see if this one sounds silly. So actually, first thing we gotta do, Jaron, these jet tags are live on the site. Every $5 you spend, you get one entry for this car. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Let's go take it for a spin.
Wow.
Oh, that's his GTI.
Seriously? That's okay.
Mine won't sound like that. All right, we got the DSG, dog gearbox. No, that's not what it stands for. Definitely shifts good. Dual DSG, that's it. Hey girl. That's how you pick up the ladies. Rev your GTI. Ready? We're gonna hear what this thing sounds like on the bridge. Wow. That was kind of impressive. I just like lost traction into the bridge. That was cool.
Oh God.
That wasn't bad. That was kind of exhilarating.
It's kind of scary. I didn't expect that.
What's wrong with that?
A lot.
This car actually doesn't sound too bad. These cars sound horrendous whenever you do like enough of an exhaust on one. I'm kind of impressed that it just like blows the tires off in first gear. That's kind of fun. It's not bad, okay? It's not bad.
It doesn't sound bad.
This one sounds pretty good. I kind of want to keep it about this tame. Okay, here we go.
Oh God. Oh no.
We're gonna shift like a boss here. How do you go into manual on this? A little poop, there's a Supra. Let's race him.
No. No. No, you're in a GTI. Don't do it, please.
You the little pooty poots, the little poot poot poot.
I didn't think he was gonna pooty poot.
That's like popcorn. Guys, I gotta figure out how to go to manual mode.
You're not in manual mode?
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god.
It's not bad. It's so far it's kind of fun. Compared to the ones I've driven before, this car doesn't feel sloshy and just like a big sack of poop. Like I've driven a GTI and like the gearbox was really bad. I hated the manual. It especially doesn't have paddles. Why did the paddles not work? Is that a thing? Do they make you feel better? Like those, are there buttons here? Or are they just like, those are hand protectors we got?
Maybe.
Can't wait to go join me a Volkswagen club and start selling my soul to Volkswagen.
Every person I've known with a car like this is a douche. Every single person I've known is a douche. There you go.
Yeah, though you'll probably get some backlash.
You know what? It's fine. It's okay at this point. I don't care.
Oh, sport. We weren't even in sport.
What were you in?
I don't know, normal.
You're having too much fun.
No such thing. I'm a Volkswagen gang now. I gotta go join VW for Life 69 420 Facebook group and start posting about my ride height.
If the highway
my
was...
wheels that are 18 by 4 plus 72 that have aggressive fitment.
You know this thing was at 120 range whenever you first gotten it?
I've used 20 miles worth of gas
Yes.
in about 5 minutes. Oh my god, dude. I gotta start buying stickers that say like,
Sad boys.
Be patient, I'm low. And listen to my fart bubbles or butt crackles.
What?
What are you, that?
What?
Those things.
Butt crackles?
I've owned this car for like 30 minutes and I already have a check engine light.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm so sick!
Goodbye, brother. I feel like you're gonna park really bad on purpose. No. No. He flipped his hat backwards. No. Did you really flip your hat backwards to park?
That's what you gotta do. If you're a vag, you gotta do it. I gotta flex my wheel specs out here. Look at this.
Your rear
Oh,
there you
it
go.
did it. Oh,
Your
it's
rear
kind of cute.
emblem pops out for the camera.
I know. Volkswagen gang, baby.
Badge.
Woo! Listen to the pops. Guys, I've owned this car for a couple weeks now, and here's my first thoughts. I've driven this car for about 250, 300 miles or so, gone through a couple of tanks of gas, and honestly, I've enjoyed it. And that seems weird because I told you guys I'd never buy one. I have driven a Mark V and a Mark VI, and I honestly didn't like them. I don't know what it is about the Mark 7, but this car has actually been really fun and pretty fantastic. I'm not trying to overhype it because it is what it is. It's honestly, it's been a fun car. Now, this thing is like grippy. It's fun. I actually like the GTI over the R. Why? Here's why. Front wheel drive can get fun. It can be sendy. The torque steer is an experience, honestly. It sounds weird, but all wheel drive can get super boring because, you know, you can't do all the burnout-y fun stuff, you know what I mean? Check engine light, by the way. That's just an O2 sensor like normal. I wasn't really concerned about it, but I've driven it with that check engine light. Now, here's the thing, guys. We're about to go pretty fully sendy here. This car is fun, it is tuned. I don't know anything about the tune. To be honest, I haven't even gotten it onto a lift yet. I don't really know what all's done to it. I do know it's tuned. Obviously, it does the pops and all the bangs and stuff like that, like you guys like, but it's not fast enough. We're gonna make it faster. I've got a bigger turbo and a bunch of other goodies. We're gonna be working with the FCP Euro, and we're gonna be working with integrated engineering. Guys, this is gonna be a really fun build. A couple things to note. I really like I got a little distracted. A couple things to note. I really like the height of this car. I don't like bottom out or anything. It's really simple to drive. It's like almost perfect. The suspension's also comfortable. I don't know what it has, but the stance is really good. The wheels are kind of growing on me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change them. You guys let me know what you want me to do. We gotta try some launch control. I'm I'm really enjoying this. That was fun. I've been really impressed, honestly, just with how fun the car is. Like naturally, this car is just easy to drive. It really is pretty fun. And I really am eating my words here because you guys can dig up so many things of me talking smack on GTIs. But I have really enjoyed my time in this car. It's pretty grippy, like I was saying. It's pretty grippy. It drives phenomenally. The gearbox. I'm so glad I didn't get a manual. I've heard a lot of amazing things about DSGs, and now I understand why. For one, the gearing itself, let's do this nice corner here. The gearing itself is almost perfect. Like when you're ready to shift, the power band is like you can make a not so high horsepower car feel really fast by having a very engaging gearbox. And I'm telling you, the DSG, it's like I'm not gonna say perfect, but the gear ratio, like every time you shift, you are in the next gear's power band, and it makes it more fun to drive. It really is fun, and it's honestly pretty quick on the highway. I haven't raced anybody yet. I'm looking forward to enjoying this car to its fullest. I will say, VW, you guys are a cult. Stop being so weird. But you do have pretty fun cars. I like this car so far. I'm just sitting here sending it and just torque steering for days. It's so fun. I will say I like the radio. The radio is actually pretty impressive. It's legitimately a good time. You guys are probably wondering, is this Evan Shanks that's actually talking right now? I don't know. I don't know who I am anymore, I don't think. I will say it's got some quirky things here and there. From all the stuff that I've read online, it has all the normal oddities that GTIs do, but really it's been a pretty fun car so far. Anyways, this could be yours. Let's get back and talk about it a little bit. But yeah, remember, you can enter for a chance to winning this beautiful, fun-ass GTI. Thankfully, these neighbors are cool. They don't care. I'm really eating my words here, guys, but I'm very excited over the next 60 days to not only drive but work on and build this car. I think it's going to be a fantastic time, and dude, this thing needs a detail because I've been doing so many burnouts and stuff. I'm gonna have to get you guys some new tires by the time this giveaway is done too. Don't worry, guys, I'll get you guys set up right. We've got a bunch of parts already. Again, we're working with Integrated Engineering and FCP Euro. This is cool. I'm actually not falling in love. That sounds weird, but I'm really liking the styling of this car. The Mark 7s specifically have a pretty cool rear end. He's got an exhaust. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna replace all of that. And he's got some carbon fiber bits. I need to do some detailing and restore that carbon because it's not in very pristine condition.
Hell yeah, brother. Smokestacks for days.
Carbon here. The paint's really good, actually. The bumper hasn't fallen off. I really haven't scraped much. I'm not sure if I dig this weird thing right here. So we're gonna end up wrapping the car because you know, I like to, one, preserve the paint, and two, gives us some cool options. And we've got a ton of new merchandise. Actually, we'll hop inside. I'll show you. Okay, say hi, Gabriella. Hi, baby. Say hello. Goo. She's a little shy, but she's very cute. We've got some really sick new hats. Really cool designs.
This is my favorite.
Oh, that's really cool. I didn't even know we had that.
Yeah.
That's really sick. Some dad hats. We got a really cool, I'm not gonna say logo, but like we've got a really cool design. That logo on red and black shirts. We've got it on a beanie toboggan. It's about to get cold for some of you guys. We brought back the gym shorts. I know you guys love the shorts. We've also got socks, banners, new tee. This one's sick design. Flags, shirts, socks, new jet tags and air fresheners, white and black, and stuff like decals.
Oh, did you show the bag?
Oh yeah, the range track whatever bag. I used this for going to the range the other day, and it's amazing. It's like an ammo bag, but this is really cool. So if you guys need a nice track bag or just a travel bag, this is a really nice, high quality bag. So we've got a lot of good stuff, guys. Every $5 you spend grants you 1 entry. I did this one for the boys. I hope you guys enjoy everything about this and all of the other amazing content that we've got coming to the channel. But you guys can win this. Well, you can win what it's going to be at the end, because it's gonna be way cooler, faster, better. It's gonna be amazing. Guys, I want every video I make, I end it with daily advice, just some good old dad advice for you. So just to be your dad. I'm actually doing something, so this right now, October 1st, marks 1 year of, I'm not gonna say sobriety, but I had a really rough time with alcohol the past few years. Depression and anxiety does that to you, and I did have an issue with it. And so I chose October 1st to 30th, 30 days no drinking. I'm calling it Sobertober. I want you guys, I want to challenge you guys. Some of you guys might not be old enough to drink. Good, don't. I'm going to be doing Sobertober, and I want to challenge you guys to get a grip on your vices. If you have been drinking or smoking or whatever your thing is, doesn't have to be sobriety necessarily. It could be just a bad habit. Let me help you break that this month. And if you think you don't have a problem, try going a week without something, just to see how desperate for it you are. I am not going to be drinking the month of October because it's just a really good factory reset. Cleanse your body, resets your vices just in case you start going down a slippery slope. It's very important. I encourage you guys to do that with me, whether it's weed, alcohol, cigarettes, vaping even. Like, just try it for a week, Sobertober. Let's get it together. I'm gonna be doing my best. I'm not gonna cave. I didn't do it last year, and I'm honestly pretty excited. It made me feel much better, and I just want to encourage you guys to get a grip on your vices, anything that's dragging you down. And I also want to encourage you guys to go to 5-3 Supply right now, right nizzle. Go spend $5 and get an entry, or spend $100 and get 20 entries, right? Did I do that math? Yeah, I sure did. Thank you guys so much for watching. From the bottom of my heart, I love you so much. I'll catch you guys next video. Deuce. Hey, I have 2 videos for you guys to watch, by the way. It helps me a ton if you continue to watch my content. I'm gonna sweep out the garage because this place is nasty as hell, bro.